Hey, what's going on, y'all? Today, I make my famous smoked quarter-pound cheeseburger. Make sure you subscribe and love this. I'm gonna start off with 1 pound of ground beef. I'm gonna break it up a little bit so I can get those spices in there nice and good. I start off with 1 teaspoon of Dove sauce. I put a half a teaspoon of liquid smoke. I put 1 tablespoon seasoning salt in there. Make sure you subscribe and love this. Make sure you mix all these ingredients together. I'm slapping in this little cup I got from Kentucky Fried Chicken. It's the small mashed potato. Makes perfect for a burger size. I'm gonna cover this up and go prepare that fire. Get it smoking. Make sure you subscribe and love this video. Yeah, it's cracking. I think we're about ready. I put the skillet in here also because I want to make sure my meat cooks all the way through and it doesn't fall in the grill. It's another safe way of cooking. Make sure your food is correctly done and prepared naturally. Home cooking is the best cooking. So I'm going to flip these over, make sure it's browned on both sides. Go ahead and put this kielbasa in here. I think it's smoked enough. Maybe not. I just want to put it in here because I want to smoke it and just give it all at once. It's hot. I'll send this meat out of here, get this skillet off, and throw it right back on the grill, and let that smoke get at it. Probably do this for another 5 minutes, 5-10 minutes. Let this smoke. Make sure you subscribe and love it. Flip it all in there. Flip it, it's smoking, and I'm gonna take it off. Smoke up these burgers a little bit more, and subscribe and love it. Let's go ahead and prepare this sandwich. First, I'm gonna get out this onion, cut it up, get it on out the way. I was just thinking about my cousins, M and M. Both of them have the first initial M, and they're both barbecue kings. Let them tell it. One's really good at making sauce, and the other's really good at smoking meats. So I learned all my techniques of smoking and making sauce from them. I used my own creativity because they were really good at that. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut up this avocado. Grab this bit, snatch it on out of here. Watch these techniques, because I've seen people doing it wrong. Grab a spoon and go ahead and scoop that meat out of there in one swoop. Not one swoop, but a couple swoops. Depends depends on how ripe it is. This one's kind of, it's not all the way ripe, but it was edible, it's ready to go. If it wasn't ready to go, you wouldn't be able to do it so easy. I'm gonna go ahead and slice these up nice and thin. I want that on my burger. It's nice thin cuts. It's gonna be delicious. You ever had an avocado turkey burger? It's so good. With the avocado, with the turkey burgers, and just slap some avocados on it. Oh my goodness, that is so good. Watch it, you'll see. Go watch the video. Matter of fact, I might connect it to here so you watch it automatically right after this is done. So I put Miracle Whip on there instead of mayonnaise. I'm going to slap a little bit of mustard on here. I know some people like that Miracle Whip instead of that mayonnaise, which I don't understand. And here's some barbecue sauce that I made from scratch. I just went out and bought a base sauce that really had zero flavor and just added all my flavors to it and put it inside this big batch, and that's my sauce. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and add these avocados, slap this butter lettuce on here and with the tomato. Go ahead and do this other side. Share the love, share the love. Go ahead, cut me a red onion. Put some butter lettuce on the tomato. Now I'm gonna grab some of this cheddar cheese. Slap that on there. And I'm gonna go ahead and slap these burgers on here. Look how juicy that is. That looks so good. That juice just squeezing out of the burger. That's the one. She wet, wet. Alright, go ahead and slap this top on here. Oh man. Anyway, it's gonna taste good anyway. Let me go ahead and cut this up. How that look, y'all? That looks so good. Oh, subscribe and love this.
Deebo.